Guacamole. Put it on the side, on top, on toast. It's super easy to make with a few ingredients, and you can customize it all your own. I want to take the flesh of 2 avocados, scoop them in here, grab another one, and I'll show you how easy this is. It's basically tomatoes, diced tomatoes, avocado, of course, and squeeze a lime. The diced tomatoes I have are seasoned with chile pepper. So this is a jalapeno business coming together for the easiest guacamole to do tableside. No real chopping, good ingredients. Just work in with say about a 1/4 cup to start, and our handy dandy masher. This thing really is a lifesaver in the kitchen. I'm learning making ground beef, making carnitas. I don't know what else I'd mash with it, but I'm sure I'll find another use, all in due time. Give it a good smash, however chunky you like it. You can even run it through a food processor, and it simply comes together like this. Mash, 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 mash. Scoop some off. I'll finish the job with a spoon, make it a bit smoother for me. Get my lime going. Citric acid helps keep it from browning. There is, of course, citric acid in a lot of canned tomatoes, just as part of the canning process. Don't know how many of you can at home. Let me know in the comments if you do. I've done a few seasons of tomatoes that come out of the garden that are just surplus, and just makes it really easy to grab out of the pantry all through the year. And here's another handy dandy hack. Getting one of these baby food yogurt reusable pouches, you can push the air out of your guacamole and it'll keep weeks in the fridge. And all you have to do is scoop it out. Oh, so easy. Maybe could use a little bit of salt if that's up to your taste. But there it is. Guacamole, good to go anytime. Green with Envy? Subscribe for more recipes like this.